Approaching Museum Station.
I love the museum, especially the two knights who stand guard outside.
Me too. There's one. Where's the other?
It's out being repaired and polished. It should be back soon.
Huzzah!
I sometimes pretend I'm Sir Nico, the brave knight.
And I'm Sir Nate the Knight. Together we'll save Traxville. We are noble knights, brave in every way.
Call us for your mission and we'll save the day.
Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission.
Huzzah!
It's mighty time!
Today's mega mission goes to Freight Nate.
Woohoo! Yeah!
The Museum Station Knight is all polished and repaired. You'll pick it up at Port Station, then deliver it to Museum Station so it can go back on display.
Huzzah!
It's time to
Clean up, tune up,
hook up.
to the beat of my sweet track.
It's time to clean up. It's time to tune up. It's time to hook up.
It's wash time. Break it down.
It's time to clean up. It's time to tune up.
It's tune-up time.
Mighty Express.
Check, check, checkity, check, check. And you are Liza certified.
And now it's time to hook up with the brand new castle car to transport the knight.
Sir Max, I, Nico the Knight, would like to join Sir Nate. I can guide him on his quest. I know every track in the kingdom. And Nate and I both love knights.
Of course, Sir Nico. Now you're ready to make tracks.
Huzzah!
Approaching Port Station. Hi, Dippers. Whoa! Those are some big feet.
Ahoy, Nate! Ahoy, Nico!
You mean Sir Nate and Sir Nico, noble knights of Traxville. We are noble knights, brave in every way.
Call us for your mission and we'll save the day.
The armor's all fixed up, nice and shiny. Time to load you up, Knight Nate.
Good day, brave sailor.
Happy questing!
Hi, Nico. Hi, Nate.
Huzzah!
Oh, what?
Sir Nico and I are on a knight's quest to deliver this suit of armor to the museum. And huzzah! It's our cheer.
Oh, then a fine huzzah to you, too. Now I'd better get this cheese to the market. Farewell, knights.
Hi, Nate. Hi, Nico. What are you guys doing?
We're delivering this knight to Museum Station.
Huh? What night?
Is it Giant Night Day at the market today, Jubilee?
Nope. That's not on my schedule.
Ah! Freeze, Cheese! Stop! Come back! Nate! I need help! My cheese wheel is rolling away, and a knight is chasing it.
Never fear, Sir Marcus. Knights Nate and Nico are at your service.
We need to catch it somehow.
I know. The armor's metal, and since magnets stick to metal, I can use my magnet attachment to grab it. Mega Magnet Arm, activate!
Sorry, we'll get you a new spoon.
But the magnet is working. Let's get that knight.
We are noble knights. 'Tis our aim to please. Our mission's clear. Without a fear, we'll catch that knight and cheese. Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry again. Super sorry. Huh? Hey! Uh-oh!
Deactivating magnet!
That was kind of fun. Thanks, guys. See you later. Onwards to stop the knight and rescue the cheese.
We've got you now, you naughty knight.
Surrender to Sir Nico and Nate. Did that sound brief enough?
Hey, where'd the cheese go? He's stuck!
Huzzah! Nate, I know how we can defeat the knight. Grab all the metal you can and then head for the hills. Hurry, Nate!
His spear is stuck, but he's free!
Go! Go forth! Huzzah!
Noble knight, we are ready to defend ourselves in battle!
I am ready to protect the kingdom! Oh, I hope.
We have armor now too, knight! Ha!
Huzzah! Huh? Ah!
What? The armor's full of cute little mice?
Aww. The mice weren't chasing us. They were chasing the cheese.
Oh, I get it. Mystery solved, Sir Nico. Now let's get the knight back to Museum Station.
There! Our favorite knight armor is back where it belongs, Sir Nate.
Our quest is complete. 'Tis done and delivered.
Huzzah, Sir Squeaky!
It's picnic day! We're all gonna eat and play and picnic! Yay!
I brought a ring toss game, which I'm pretty good at.
Corn's ready for roasting, y'all!
Yes! Corn! I love corn!
Jaden's mighty excited for the big town picnic. He's doing his happy dance.
Because we get to play games with the trains and eat corn. And the very best part, eat Clay and May's extra yummy chili.
It's cooking up mighty fine. All it needs is a little salt and pepper.
You mean a lot of salt and pepper.
Well, I'll be. Our shakers are all shook out. There's no more salt and pepper.
But without it, we can't finish our chili and start the picnic.
I'd better call Max.
Maybe we can eat it without salt and pepper. Blech. Nope. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission.
Don't worry, guys. Keep that chili boiling. We'll figure something out. It's mighty time!
Today's mega mission goes to Freight Nate.
Chugga-zoom!
You'll pick up salt and pepper from Port Station and bring it to Farm Station so Clay and May can finish their chili and start the picnic.
Everyone's super excited about the picnic. Freight Nate will deliver that salt and pepper great.
All right, it's time to
Clean up, tune up,
Hook up.
to the beat of my sweet track.
It's time to clean up. It's time to tune up. It's time to hook up.
It's wash time. Break it down.
It's time to clean up. It's time to tune up.
It's tune-up time.
Mighty Express.
Check, check, checkity, check, check. And you are Liza certified.
Now it's time to hook up with the picnic car to hold the salt and pepper shakers. And I'll ride along, Nate.
Now you're ready to make tracks.
Clear the tracks for Nate and Max. Approaching Port Station. Hi, Dippers. Ahoy, Skipper.
Ahoy, Freight Nate and Max. Can't wait to set sail for the big picnic later today. The salt and pepper are right over there.
Whoa!
Choo!
makes you chew! Sneeze.
I guess I didn't tighten the cap enough. Now you're in ship shape to ship out.
Thanks, Skipper. See you at the picnic. Shakers are looking super good back there. And it looks like smooth track ahead. This mission's a go-go. Goat! Look out!
Goaty, do you think you can maybe possibly move? Please? We have a delivery to make.
I'll get him up and moving. Nope, he's not moving. But I know another way to the farm. A shortcut.
Awesome! Let's go!
Nate, Max, looks like you're chugging off course.
We had a teeny tiny sleepy goaty problem.
Well, you need to turn back. The way you're going has a really low bridge.
Ah! Phew! Choo! Choo!
The salt and pepper are chugging away!
Don't worry, I can catch it. Chugga, 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 choo! Choo!
Hurry, Nate! It's headed right for Central Square!
At max speed!
Howdy, fellas. Folks are getting mighty hungry for chili. We need to get this picnic started. Will the salt and pepper be here soon?
Oh, yes. The salt and pepper is, moving really fast. Bye.
Moving really fast away from us, you mean? Nate, what are we gonna do?
We gotta go fast, fast, faster!
Done. Now we just need to keep trains off the cement until it's dry.
Nothing will get past my safety tape. Except that. And that.
Here comes the salt and pepper.
And there it goes.
Pepper, get her, coming through!
Shoo!
Gotcha now! Achoo! Ah! No, I don't!
Nico, Liza, we lost the salt and pepper car. Can you track it for us?
We have good news and bad news. The good news is we found it. The bad news is it's headed towards a bridge that's broken.
Then we have to catch it fast, choo! Fast, choo! Fast, choo! Oh, I'm never gonna say that right today. There it is! Choo! But if I can't stop choo! Sneezing, I'll never catch up to it in time. Choo! Choo! Choo!
Whoa! What? Wait! I'm not you can do it, Nate.
You mean Nate, the polka dot and pepper protector. Now let's go save some chili. Fast, fast, faster! Yes, I finally said it.
Maybe we'll have to have the picnic without our yummy chili.
Done and delivered. Okay, Clay and May, it's salt and pepper time. I've got this. Just say when.
When?
Woo, yeah!
With great Nate and Max's help, our chili tastes amazing. It's chili time. Let the picnic begin. Come and get it.
Oh,
right! Chili time! Needs more salt and pepper. Just kidding. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. I'm the last kid on Penny today. I can sit anywhere I want.
Whoa! Oh no! The wood is gone!
Gone? How can wood just disappear?
I don't know, but I better tell Max.
I'm the last kid on Penny today. We're gonna get home another way.
Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission.
It's mighty time!
Today's mega mission goes to Mechanic Milo.
Chugga chugga, woohoo!
This is a real mystery. The track on Corkscrew Curve is broken because someone took the wood. We need you to go to Building Yard Station to pick up new wood, bring it to Corkscrew Curve, and fix the track. All right, Milo, it's time to
Clean up, tune up,
hook up.
to the beat of my sweet track.
It's time to clean up. It's time to tune up. It's time to hook up.
It's wash time. Break it down.
It's time to clean up. It's time to tune up.
It's tune-up time.
Mighty Express.
Check, check, checkity, check, check. And you are live certified.
And now it's time to hook up with your winch car to help you fix the tracks.
And I'll go with you to figure out why the tracks are broken. I love solving mysteries.
Me too. This is gonna be an awesome mission, Nico. Or should I say, Detective Nico.
You know it, Inspector Milo.
Now you're ready to make tracks.
Woohoo!
Approaching Building Yard Station. Hi, Dusty.
Hey, Milo. Hey, Nico. What supplies can I help you with today?
Do you have any wood beams? We need to fix the track at Corkscrew Curve.
Wood beams coming right up.
Whoa!
Another lovely large load loaded.
According to my calculations, that load might be a bit too large. I don't think we need that much wood.
No problem. Just bring back what you don't use.
Thanks, Dusty. Bye.
We're almost at Corkscrew Curve, Inspector Milo, the scene of the mysteriously missing wood.
I wonder what could make wood just disappear.
Milo, Nico, come in! There's an emergency at Farm Station. Some of the wooden fence is missing.
We can fix the fence. Dusty gave us lots of extra wood.
Copy that.
Time to make a switch.
Farm Station, here we come!
Stay in your pen! Boy, are we glad to see you. A section of our wooden fence just vanished.
That makes wood missing from 2 places now, Inspector Milo. This really is a mystery. Let's take a closer look. It's time to investigate.
Animal tracks! But I wonder what kind, Detective Nico?
They're not cows or chickens. Interesting. Clue number 1, strange animal tracks.
All right, let's fix this fence and get to Corkscrew Curve.
So an animal took the wood. But why? Animals don't build things.
Milo, Nico, there's another emergency. Flicker is stranded on the pier at Beach Station.
Tell Flicker we're on our way.
Copy that.
Flicker? Hi, guys. What happened? I was taking a nice nap in the sun, and when I woke up, the wood was gone. Don't worry, Flicker. We'll rescue you.
Yeah, we'll fix that pier in no time.
Look, Inspector Milo. More tracks. Interesting. And look at the pier. It has teeth marks on it. Clue number 2. Wood with interesting teeth marks. Flicker, did you notice anything strange before this happened? Yes! A seagull landed on my head. Anything else? Nope, just the seagull on my head. Then it flew off. And I fell asleep.
All right, Flicker, the track's fixed. You're free.
Thanks!
Happy to help. I love fixing things.
We should get going. We still need to fix Corkscrew Curve.
And figure out who's taking the wood.
I'm gonna take another nap. Not on the pier. So according to the clues we know, it's an animal and it chews wood.
What kind of animal chews wood? A beaver!
We need to be on the lookout for a burglar beaver while we fix the track, Inspector Milo.
It's detective time! Approaching Corkscrew Curve!
According to my calculations, Corkscrew Curve's wooden support beams have been chewed up.
Mega winch activate!
This is not very interesting.
We gotta fix these tracks.
Great work. That beam we just fixed disappeared.
There's the beam!
And there's the beaver! We were right. He probably took all the missing wood. Mystery solved. Inspector Milo, we have to stop that beaver!
Inspector Milo. It worked! He's safe. Yay! Now let's fix the track. Great work. Thanks. Let's try it out. Chugga, chugga, woohoo! That was one interesting mystery, huh? Still one question, Detective Nico. Why was the beaver taking the wood? I think I know, Inspector Milo. The beaver was building his home. Aww. Hey, little guy. We know a special place where you can get all the wood you want. Building Yard Station!
Back already? I was sure I gave you more than enough wood.
You did! We're here with a new customer.
Isn't he just the cutest little thing?
That's a funky beaver beat. I think he likes it here.
You can come and get wood anytime, Chompy.
Chompy! That's a good name.
All the kids love riding on Penny, Penny. All the kids love riding on Penny to school. Yay! Yay! Next stop, School Station! Yay! Yeah! Woohoo! Good morning, Penny.
It is a good morning, Amanda. The kids were singing about how much they love riding on me today.
That's great! And the day's about to get even better because we're getting pogo sticks to play with at recess.
Yay! I'm gonna bounce, bounce, bounce on my pogo stick.
Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission.
It's Mighty Time!
Today's mega mission goes to Rescue Red.
Yes, sir, Max, sir.
You'll pick up the shipment of pogo sticks and helmets from Port Station and deliver them to School Station.
Great! I can make sure that all the kids pogo safely because there's nothing more fun than safety.
That's why you're the perfect train for the job, Red.
The kids are planning to play with the pogo sticks at recess.
I'll get there as fast as I can, but not too fast. Safety first.
It's time to
Clean up, tune up,
hook up.
to the beat of my sweet track.
It's time to clean up. It's time to tune up. It's time to hook up.
It's wash time. Break it down.
It's time to clean up. It's time to tune up.
It's tune-up time.
Mighty Express.
Check, check, checkity, check, check. And you are live certified.
Your pogo stick packed boxcar is waiting at Port Station. And because it's a safety mission, he'll take your host car and net car, just in case.
You never know when an emergency might pop up.
You got it, Red. a chance to Pogo.
It's an honor to have you aboard, Max, sir.
Now you're ready to...
Make tracks! Sirens and lights time! Approaching port station! Hi, Dippers! Hi, Faye!
Howdy! I'm getting some food for a barn full of hungry animals at Farm Station. What are you boys up to?
We have to deliver Pogo sticks.
And helmets, of course, to school before recess.
Don't worry, I'll get you both out of here quicker than a crab on a surfboard. Great jumping, but I can't play now. Neat trick, Dippers. The Pogo sticks are ready to sail. Go. Whoa! Animal feed car ready to go too.
Yippee-ki-yay! I've got food for the critters.
And the Pogo Stick boxcar, with helmets, is safely locked and secure.
Okay, Red, time to Pogo go!
Approaching school station. Another safe and sound delivery.
And we still have plenty of time before the kids have recess.
Yay, Red! You're here! In this boxcar, I have the bounciest and safest Pogo sticks ever!
If you want to bounce, let us hear you say Pogo!
Pogo! Pogo! Oh no! Animal feed avalanche!
Ugh, that is not Pogo sticks.
No, sir. It's animal feed. Which means they must have the Pogo sticks. No bouncing! It's the end of the world! Oh no! Oh no!
And it just got worse.
Hungry birds? They must have smelled the animal feed.
Never fear! I've got this! Attention all birds! You're breaking school station safety rule number 47. No flying in the classroom! They're not listening! Siren and lights time!
Great idea, Red!
So, no Pogo sticks? Just birds? Don't you worry, Jaden. This is now a Pogo stick emergency!
Nico, Liza, we've got a delivery disaster.
Instead of Pogo sticks, I filled the school with animal feed.
You got Faye's delivery? Not good, very bad.
Tell Faye we're coming for the Pogo sticks.
Howdy, Faye. I hope you brought a whole heap of grub.
Yeah, because the animals are hungrier than a bear at a honey party.
Then have him step right up, 'cause it's chow time.
Faye, there's been a mix-up with the deliveries. Red got your animal feed.
Well, clickety-clack, how about that? Then what's in my boxcar?
Pogo sticks!
Critters, no pogo sticking!
Come back!
Boy, am I glad to see you, Red. The whole barnyard's a-bouncing.
It's an emergency! Yes, I'm good at these. Faye, let's lasso the Pogo sticks!
Time to twirl! Mega lasso, activate!
Max, herd the animals toward the boxcar.
Yes, sir, Red, sir. Time to get bouncy. To
not all of them.
Larry! After that pig! I can't catch him, but I can bounce him to safety.
Oh no! He's headed for the cliff!
I've got this! Mega Net, activate!
Sorry, Larry. Pigs and pogo sticks just don't mix.
Time to get those pogo sticks to school before recess. Sirens and lights time! Recess! Yay!
Aw, Red didn't bring the pogo sticks. Now we can't bounce-ity bounce. Huh?
Yay!
Did someone say pogo sticks?
Done and delivered. Everyone, have some fun! Yay! Now I just need a way to get that animal feed out of the school.
I'm here and ready for lunch.
But the kids already ate lunch.
I was talking about the animals.
Thanks, Faye.